Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore SPY in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 23rd of August, 2024, and now we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 7th of August, 2024, our system has ranked SPY as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.79. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 8.37%. This results in an average return of 0.64% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned in the upper segment of a weak rising trend in the short term. This situation often presents an attractive selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a pullback toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. If the price breaks above the upper trend line at $571.19, it will indicate a stronger upward momentum. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 2.55% over the coming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 5.02% to positive 4.21%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 31.48% over the next year, with a potential return between 22.74% and 35.74%. This would translate to a price range between $689.91 and $762.98 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the SPY ETF highlights a positive trend, a green day on Friday with a gain of 1.05%. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 23rd of August, 2024, the SPY ETF price increased by 1.05%, rising from $556.22 to $562.07. During that trading session, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.04%, with a low of $557.29 and a high of $563.09. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and has seen an increase of 5.49% over the past 2 weeks. However, it is important to note that trading volume decreased by 917,000 shares on the last day, with a total of 45 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $25.28 billion. This decline in volume amidst rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes over the coming days. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF reached $565.15, while the lowest price was $409.21. Currently, the price sits at 0.55%, or $3.08, below the 52-week high of $565.15, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Hedge funds are increasingly bearish on the S&P 500, with recent data indicating a significant rise in net speculative bets against the index, now reaching minus 84,000. This shift suggests that investors are concerned about a potential market correction as the index approaches its all-time high. In the short term, this bearish sentiment could lead to increased volatility and downward pressure on the SPY exchange-traded fund as traders react to these speculative positions. Additionally, perceptions of an impending recession are influencing investment strategies. Reports highlight that certain investments, yielding up to 8.5%, may better withstand an economic downturn. If recession fears persist, we could see a rotation away from riskier assets into more defensive stocks, further impacting the performance of SPY. Conversely, Vanguard's focus on target date funds emphasizes the growing importance of structured investment options in retirement accounts. As these funds gain traction, there may be an influx of long-term capital into the market, providing some support for the SPY exchange-traded fund. As we navigate these mixed signals, short-term bearishness alongside long-term bullish investment vehicles, the price of SPY could fluctuate, but may ultimately find stability if institutional support remains strong. Investors should stay attentive to these trends, as they could significantly influence market dynamics moving forward. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. The SPY exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $557.80 and $547.57. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 5, 2024, and the price has since increased by 8.64%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It's worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day despite the rise in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, potentially serving as an early warning. Thus, it is advisable to monitor the exchange-traded fund closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 187 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $532.90 and $527.37. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the fund may fall to the next support level. In this case, SPY finds support just below today's level at $532.90. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $527.37 and $517.38. This exchange-traded fund is typically traded at a good volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the fund moved $5.80, which is 1.04% between its high and low. For the past week, the exchange-traded fund has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.1%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $564.79. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, SPY faces its first support level at $532.90. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $542.97, reflecting a decline of 3.4%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, resulting in a lower risk profile. Currently, the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is at 86, which significantly heightens the risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 28 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall favorable trend, suggest that the current level presents a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for the SPY ETF to perform well in the near future. However, after examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 26th of August, we anticipate that SPY will open lower by $1.25, starting the day at $560.82. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is important to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.